Ayate Çagaya. İyi, her şey yolunda. What is the Turkish version of that? Hi guys, I am Esra Bilgiç, and today I will be trying to speak some popular Pakistani slang words and phrases, and also teach you the Turkish version of them. My first slang word is Genuine Bad. Genuine Bad. What does that mean?
It means you said the right thing at the right moment.
Doğru zamanda doğru yerde olmak. Boğatala. Boğatala is muazzam, harika, muhteşem. The next one is Kıyasinay. Kıyasinay. Kıyasine. Ne haber dostum? Nasıl gidiyor? In Turkish. Sinonay. Sinone. Sinonhe. It can be iyi gidiyor. İyi. Her şey yolunda. Jobatay. Jobate.
True that, that's true.
Aynen öyle. Jobate. Jobate. Yes, the next one is Cugar. Cugar. Yalandan iş çevirdin. Öylesine bir şeyler yapmak istedin, yaptın yani. That means a lot. Okay. Okay, the next one is Ayate Çagaya. Ayate Çagaya. Ayate Çagaya. Ayate Çagaya. What does that mean? Geldim, gördüm, yendim. The next one is cheetah. Cheetah. What does that mean? Yeah, I know this word. It's champ. Interesting. Cheetah is champ in Pakistani. Interesting. Yeah, I like this word. It's my number one word, cheetah. I want to say this word, dünyayı anlat, in Pakistan version of it. Dünya ko batato. Really? The first time?